Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn karate at home Class 1 Easy Method. Begin by clearing a safe practice area, wear comfortable clothing, and warm up for 5 to 10 minutes focusing on joints and breathing. Learn a basic front stance, one basic punch, and one controlled front kick slowly with steady breathing. Practice brief sets, rest, and repeat 3 times per week to build balance and confidence. Start with posture and basic breathing to establish control and reduce injury risk. Focus on 5 simple drills: stance holds, slow punches, measured kicks, stepping, and controlled falls. Use a mirror or phone to check alignment and correct common errors like leaning or dropped hands. Keep sessions short, aim for progression each week, track small improvements, and always cool down with light stretches to aid recovery. Quick recommendation: if you like this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy lessons. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use. Perfect for post-training snacks and quick lunches, they keep food tidy and save time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and leave a comment about your favorite drill. Now let's get back to the video. Practice consistency and mindful repetition to reinforce muscle memory and timing. Use household items like a towel for grip training or a pillow for safe striking practice and pad work. Record short videos to compare form over time and celebrate small wins such as improved balance or tighter technique. Aim for gradual progression, enjoy the process, and prioritize safety to make steady, reliable improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.